Hey y'all, it's Denise, and I'm here in my home, in my living room, and I want to talk to you this week about a taboo, something you're not supposed to do. You're never supposed to paint acrylics over oil paints. Oil and water do not mix, but there is a way to do it, and there is a safe way to do it. So I'm going to show you in this video how I go about painting over an oil painting with acrylics. Now, a couple little caveats here are, you want to make sure it's an old oil painting, a painting that has gassed off, completely dried, because you may not know this, but it takes oil paintings quite a few years to actually completely dry. So in this video, I have a painting that I actually did back when I was a teenager. I can't really remember that far back, but I remember doing this oil painting. It was my first oil painting ever. I did it at home, self-taught, and most of what I do is self-taught. I didn't go to school for art. I'm just lucky enough to be born with that gene that is all art all the time. So you can paint over oil paints with acrylics, and this is one example. This is why I'm showing you here in my living room. This is a painting I did probably about 8 or so years ago. It was one of my favorite still life paintings in oils that I had ever done. I really had taken my time. I loved this painting. But then my artwork started to morph, and I got more into abstracted and mixed media, and I thought, what the heck, I'm going to experiment on this piece of art, because I had read an article that when old paintings, old paintings are being refurbished or being touched up, oftentimes they use acrylic paints on them. It goes quicker, it dries faster, it's just an easier medium to work with in that regard. So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to give it a go. So I took my very favorite still life and went over it with lots of papers. I kept some of the elements. I kept the tulips, I kept the lemons. I think that was a new lemon I added in. But and it went from being my favorite still life to being my favorite abstract painting that I've done to date. So I love this. You'll probably see it's in my YouTube channel banner. It's in my website. I use it everywhere. I never get tired of it. So all of that being said, you can use acrylics over oil paints. I'm going to show you how. And it really gives you a lot of opportunity to go to thrift stores and find old oil paintings, or really just about any painting, but oil paintings, and not really worry. As long as they seem to be old, the thing that you have to worry about with it is you can paint over oils, but if you don't prepare it properly, eventually those acrylic paints are going to start flaking and chipping off. But there is a way to prepare your canvas, your painting, to be able to paint over with acrylics, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And I hope it's you pack that, store that away in your art arsenal is something that can happen for you. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get to use it. Also, I hope you hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. If you have a question about this, or if you've tried it, anything like that, leave me a comment. I'm happy to answer. I love it when you show up in my little art community. And with all of that being said, let's take a look at the video. Okay, so this is the piece I'm going to work on. Like I said, I did it when I was a teenager. And here's the little studio dog Latte. And this is pretty elementary, I'm going to say. Not too bad for my first go and being able to look at something and paint it. But let me see how I can switch it up. Okay, now I've got it sanded. And just going to take some wet ones, wipe it off. Now, like I've said, This oil, this is gonna work. This oil painting is so old. I literally did it when I was a teenager. And I'm long past being a teenager. And this was oils. I want to keep the pattern. And I want to keep the colors, so I'm going to put a clear primer on this. But first I want to make sure I get all the dust and everything cleaned off of it. I'm going to also give this a good wipe with alcohol because I seem to remember at one point putting a clear acrylic gesso on this. Okay, now that I have, this is a really old 18 by 24 canvas board, and I've sanded it, I've wiped it, I washed it, I rinsed it, I put it out in the sun, and now I am taking, this is Kiehl's Clear Interior Exterior Primer. It's a clear sealer and bonding primer, and it's clear because I don't want to lose everything that I have going here. So let me grab one of my brushes. And I just want to put on a nice coat to let this, it's a bonding coat, so it will set everything up so no matter, whatever I'm painting on here is going to stick and not crack. And that's usually the problem with when you're painting acrylics over an oil paint, which you really shouldn't do. I mean, it's not, you know, water over oil doesn't work. If you have an acrylic paint and you want to paint oil over, that works. However, in this case, this is a really old painting. So the oil paint that's on here is really dried up. It doesn't have any chemicals in it. Oil paints typically take years to completely dry. And on top of that, this is really thin oil paint. It was way back before I was into all the layers I'm into now. And that is probably going to do the trick. I'm not really sure what the sheen is on this. I'm going to guess it's probably like a satin. I'm going to hit the sides too because I've got some raw canvas there. I mean, this is really old. So that's why I'm not too locked in or not too invested on how it's going to turn out. Mainly, I've had it forever because it was my first oil painting. And this was a set of china that my grandmother was going to give me and did give me later years when I got married. And yeah, my first still life. This was a little copper teapot that we had at the house. I don't remember that teapot, but I remember this. I think I probably made up the pink tablecloth. In any case, it's nothing I wanted to have in my house, but I've saved it for all these years. And I still might not want to have it in my house, but I want to make it better, and I want to bring it up to date of what I do now. I might add paper, I might not, I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna take this outside and let it dry, but wanted to show you the steps that go into painting acrylic paints over oil paints. So this Kills primer, the Kills Clear primer, and I'll put a link of that down in the description. Once you've sanded everything and taken all the sheen off the surface, and you clean that off and put a coat on of the Kills Clear, you'll be ready to paint.